Welcome to the vlog. So guys, today I'm gonna be doing the Pepsi explosion. If you like this video, smash the like button. Please press the red subscribe button if you're new. Give notifications on. And guys, if you like this video, comment down below. If you like this video, share this video, guys. So not today we're gonna do the Pepsi explosion. So guys, I already got the Mentos. So come on, now let's go and get the Coke. So guys, now I got the Coke, so come on, let's go and do the Pepsi explosion. Hey guys, so now I got the Pepsi and the Mentos right there. So now we're gonna do the Pepsi explosion. Hey guys, I got the Coke and the Mentos. So guys, now let's do the Pepsi explosion. Why is it not opening? So guys, now I got the Coke and the Mentos pieces, so now I'm gonna be doing it. Hey guys, now come on, let's do it. The Coke and the Mentos. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Oh guys, so we did it, and now I'm gonna break this. Yeah guys, if you like the video, smash the like button. So guys, now we've done the Mentos and the Pepsi explosion. So guys, till next time, see you. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. Please guys, please subscribe to our button. Till next time, see you.